What's up everybody, my name is Daisha and I do makeup, and in today's video I'm going to be doing Beyonce's 2000 makeup look because she does her makeup differently than she does now, and I found this picture on Pinterest of her makeup from the 2000s and I just think it is like so beautiful and I love this kind of makeup. So today that's what I'm going to try and do in this video, and first we're going to go ahead and jump into the eyebrows. Okay, let me put this on. I never put this on because I feel like I look like an egg. Eyebrows in this photo are actually very arched. They're like very like this, which is not something that I normally do. So let's see if this is a flop or not. Everybody hold your breath. About to do it. These eyebrows make me look so angry. I promise guys, I'm not angry. But now it's time for the foundation, and I'm going to switch it up and use this Fenty Beauty foundation. I actually don't use this a lot, but I really want to use it today, so we're going to use it today. I'm going to go in with a little bit of my NARS Creamy Concealer, and I just dropped it. And I'm going to go ahead and just put some on my nose, my forehead, etc. Now I'm going to do my nose contour with this Fenty Beauty contour, except that it's so raggedy because I've had it for a while that it doesn't even roll up anymore. So I have to use this with the contour on it. This is the quality content that you clicked on this video for. Don't worry guys, I got you. If this isn't quality content, I don't know what is. Alright guys, now it's time to powder my face, and I'm going to be using these two Fit Me press powders. Now I'm going to bake my face with this Fit Me loose powder. Okay, so for this eyeshadow look, I'm going to be using some dark browns from this palette and some reddish browns from this palette because I think this one just has like this perfect shade that I really want to use. Alright guys, this is the finished makeup look. I am so proud of this look because it is so cute. Like, I'm actually like amazed. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to check out my other videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I post videos every single week mostly. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.